Something unusual happens inside the eyes every night, and most people never hear about it. While the body rests, tiny repair systems inside the retina start working quietly in the dark. But these systems depend on what you eat before bed, and one simple nutrient rich habit can strengthen that repair, support clearer vision, and protect aging eyes even at 90. Many seniors wake up with blurry mornings, heavy eyelids, or slow focus, and they think it's only age. Yet nutrition science shows that nighttime is the moment when the eyes fight oxidative stress, restore protective pigments, and rebuild the cells that help you see shapes, colors, and movement. This video reveals a surprising before sleep addition that works with your natural repair cycle, something easy to follow, gentle on the stomach, and backed by research on eye-supported nutrients. Nothing extreme, nothing magical, just a quiet change that can make a real difference for tired eyes. Stay with this video because you will learn why nighttime matters more for eye repair than any other part of the day. You will hear how the retina behaves in the dark, why some foods slow down age-related vision decline, and which nutrient the body absorbs better during the evening hours. You will also understand the hidden connection between sleep quality and eye function, and why the right snack before bed can help reduce dryness, strain, and even the risk of long-term vision problems. These aren't common tips found everywhere. These are lesser-known insights supported by nutritional studies and overlooked by most people who struggle with weak vision. Many adults in their 70s, 80s, and 90s think eye decline is something they can't influence, but experts disagree. The cells in your macula, the part responsible for sharp central vision, respond strongly to specific antioxidants and fats. When the body has enough of them at night, those cells can handle blue light damage better, filter harmful free radicals more efficiently, and maintain the pigments needed for clear sight. This video breaks down exactly which nutrients matter and why eating them before sleep can boost the overnight repair cycle. You will discover what ophthalmologists point out quietly: your eyes keep working while you rest, but you can decide whether they work blind or work supported. Keep watching because the bedtime habit you're about to learn is simple, affordable, and safe for most seniors. It doesn't require supplements, expensive treatments, or complicated routines. It works naturally with the body's rhythm, especially for people who struggle with dry eyes, glare sensitivity, or slow focus when they wake up. You'll also learn the common mistakes people make at night that silently weaken eye repair, including one food choice that many seniors assume is healthy but actually interrupts the nutrient cycle your eyes depend on. This video guides you step by step so you understand not just what to eat, but why it works and how quickly you may notice changes. The suspense builds because the final piece of the puzzle, what exactly you should eat before bed, will only make sense after you hear how each nutrient affects the eye. By the end, you'll know the ideal nighttime food combination, how much to take, and how close to bedtime to use it for the best effect. You'll also learn how people in long-living regions protect their eyesight deep into old age without fancy methods. These small habits can support sharper vision, stronger eye tissues, and better moisture levels overnight. If you or someone you love wakes up with tired eyes, this information can help bring relief in a gentle and natural way. This video is designed to keep you informed, surprised, and motivated. You will gain the full picture of why your eyes depend on your nighttime routine and what scientific nutrition can do for them. And when we reveal the key bedtime food, you'll understand why so many people ignore it, even though it plays a powerful role in protecting your vision. So stay with us till the end, because every part of this video builds toward the final method that supports eye repair even at 90. Welcome to our channel where we share simple science-backed tips for healthier living at every age. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss any of our videos that could transform your daily habits and support your well-being. With every passing decade, the eyes lose a bit of their natural strength, and this becomes even more noticeable as someone reaches their 80s and 90s. The repair systems that once worked quickly begin to slow down, and the cells inside the retina do not bounce back as easily as they used to. At the same time, damage builds up from free radicals, long-term exposure to bright screens, sunlight, and even everyday strain. This makes the eyes more vulnerable to foggy mornings, weaker focus, and discomfort during the day. That is why the period right before sleep becomes so important. During the night, the body shifts into repair mode. It clears waste, fixes damaged cells, and restores tissues that have been stressed throughout the day. When the body receives the right nutrients before bed, the eyes get the building blocks they need at the exact moment they are trying to recover. This simple timing can help aging eyes deal with nighttime dryness, irritation, and slow healing. It is not a miracle cure and it does not replace eye checkups, but it strengthens the body's natural repair process that is already happening each night. As the years pass, several issues begin to show up more often. The retina may not process light as sharply, making it harder to see details or adjust to darkness. Cataracts, which cloud the lens, become more common because proteins inside the eye break down more easily. The macula, responsible for clear central vision, may thin or weaken, increasing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Tear production can drop, leading to dry eye, burning sensations, and blurry spots. These problems are made worse by oxidative stress, where unstable molecules damage eye cells over time. Blue light from phones, televisions, and indoor LEDs can also strain the retina, especially at night when the eyes are already tired. Inflammation adds another layer of stress, slowly affecting the clarity of vision. Yet research shows that the right nutrients can support these aging areas. Vitamins A, C, and E help protect delicate eye tissues from damage. Carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin gather in the macula and act like natural shields against blue light. Omega-3 fatty acids support the tear film and keep the retina functioning smoothly. Zinc helps vitamin A reach the retina and strengthens key structures inside the eye. When these nutrients are present before sleep, the eye has more resources to repair and protect itself through the night. This natural partnership between nutrition and nighttime recovery becomes especially important for people in their later years because their eyes depend more on support to stay strong and comfortable. The eyes depend on a steady supply of specific nutrients to stay strong, and some of the most powerful ones work directly inside the retina. Lutein and zeaxanthin gather in the macula, the small area that controls sharp central vision, and they act like internal filters that block harmful blue light from reaching delicate cells. These pigments help protect the eye from strain caused by screens and bright lights, especially in older adults whose natural eye filters have become thinner. Vitamin A and its plant form beta-carotene support the cells that allow you to see in the dark and help keep the surface of the eye moist and healthy. Without enough of this vitamin, night vision becomes poor and dryness becomes more common. Vitamin C and E play a different role. They act as antioxidants and shield eye tissues from the slow damage caused by oxidative stress. This type of stress increases with age, and these vitamins help the eye fight back, keeping the lens clearer and the retina healthier. Omega-3 fatty acids support the structure of the retina and keep the tear film stable, which reduces dry eye symptoms and keeps the eye comfortable through the night. Zinc works quietly behind the scenes by helping vitamin A reach the retina and supporting the protective layers that guard your vision. These nutrients together create a strong foundation for nightly eye repair and give the body exactly what it needs when it starts rebuilding cells during sleep. Because these nutrients work best when the body is entering its natural repair cycle, eating the right foods before bed becomes a simple but powerful habit. This does not mean eating a heavy meal late at night. It simply means choosing a small snack that supplies the nutrients your eyes rely on. A handful of almonds provides vitamin E and a bit of zinc, giving your eye tissues antioxidant support while you sleep. Having fatty fish earlier in the evening boosts omega-3 levels, which help the retina function smoothly. Dark leafy greens cooked lightly can deliver lutein and zeaxanthin, the very pigments that protect the macula. A small cup of yogurt or milk before bed can supply vitamin E and zinc, helping the body direct these nutrients straight to the retina as nighttime repair begins. These foods are gentle, nutrient-dense, and easy for the body to use. The goal is not to eat a large or sugary snack, as that can disturb sleep, but to choose something balanced and moderate about 30 to 60 minutes before going to bed. Better sleep supports better repair, and when the right nutrients are available at the right time, the eyes can rebuild, restore moisture, and protect themselves more effectively throughout the night. When the body enters sleep, a deep internal cleanup begins, and the eyes are part of this nightly restoration. Throughout the day, the retina collects tiny amounts of oxidative damage from sunlight, screens, pollution, and normal aging, and during sleep, the body works to clear these harmful byproducts. This is also the time when new cells form, damaged ones are repaired, and protective pigments inside the eye are refreshed. When the right nutrients are already in the bloodstream before you fall asleep, the repair process becomes stronger and more efficient. The eye finally gets the building blocks it needs at the exact moment repair is happening. Nutrition plays a major role in how well this system functions, and research shows that a diet rich in natural antioxidants and key nutrients can slow the progression of age-related eye diseases far better than relying on supplements alone. The body absorbs and uses nutrients from real food in ways that support long-term vision health, which is especially important for seniors who have slower natural repair systems. By the time someone reaches 90 or beyond, the eyes work harder to maintain clarity, moisture, and sharp focus, so providing nutrients before bed gives them support when they need it most. A nightly routine can make these benefits even more effective. Keeping lights dim in the evening helps the eyes relax and reduces the strain caused by bright bulbs and blue light from screens. Reducing screen exposure before bed protects the retina and keeps the body's internal clock balanced, making sleep deeper and more restorative. Staying hydrated also matters because dry eyes tend to worsen overnight when tear production slows. Drinking enough water through the day helps the eye surface stay comfortable by bedtime. Making the nutrient-rich snack a regular habit instead of a one-time attempt strengthens the repair cycle over weeks and months, giving the eyes a steady flow of what they need. Regular eye checkups remain important, especially after age 60 or 70, because nutrition supports eye health but does not replace professional guidance. Avoiding smoking, heavy late meals, and excessive alcohol can also make a difference, since these habits reduce blood flow, increase inflammation, and interfere with the quiet healing work the eyes try to do through the night. This gentle combination of nutrients, sleep-conscious habits, and consistent care helps the eyes receive the best support possible as they recover in the dark. This simple nighttime habit is meant for anyone who wants to protect their eyes, whether they are in their 30s or well into their 90s. Even at an older age, the eyes respond to good nutrition, gentle routines, and consistent nightly support. And if someone already has an eye condition, this habit does not replace treatment or medical advice, but works alongside it to support overall eye comfort and health. Those with allergies or certain medical conditions can choose safe alternatives, such as nuts, seeds, or leafy greens instead of fish, so the routine stays beneficial without causing problems. And for anyone dealing with serious or sudden vision changes, visiting an eye specialist remains the most important step. But for everyday protection and slow, steady improvement, a nutrient-rich snack before bed paired with good sleep and a calm evening routine can give your eyes the help they need. Tonight, you have a simple chance to support your vision. Give your eyes the gift of repair and let them rest with the nutrients they depend on. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need this gentle eye support tip. And tell us in the comments if you've tried a bedtime eye healthy snack before and what difference you noticed. Even at 90, your eyes still deserve care, comfort, and support. Let that support begin tonight.